Hey everyone, so today we are going to take a look at Handbook of Occupational Groups and Families. So basically, this is just a handbook to really help you with the job search, the federal job search, that is. It's super easy to use, but intimidating if you don't know how to use it. So today we're going to take a look at how to use this. So basically, this is just like any other table of contents, tells you everything that's in this handbook. I would definitely take a look at the glossary just to get familiar with the verbiage and how to really navigate it. But today we are going to take a look at these parts. These are all groups listed here for all kinds of work for the federal job search that you might not know that the government offers. So today we are just going to take a look at the education group. All of these are groups, and within a group are a series. These series have similar jobs connected, all tied into a specific series. So let's take a look at an example. So this is the education group. All of these are series and series numbers. Say this series number, all these jobs fall within this general education and training series. To find out all the jobs that are out there for this series, you would go to USAJobs.gov and type in this number here in the search bar, and it will show you all the jobs out there that you can look for, apply to, and really get familiar with what's out there and what you like. So definitely take a look at it, and feel free to take a look at that USA job video to kind of understand how to go to the next step after figuring out what you like.